So that overview sucked.
No, it didn't. Welcome back to the channel.
I didn't know we started.
Ready? Welcome back to the channel.
I'm Chris.
And I'm Ola. And today we're here at Bear Creek Preserve. There's a couple waterfalls, so we're going to check it out. So we hope that you stick around and follow along with us on our adventure. So we're starting off on the red trail. The red trail loop is 6.1 miles. We do have the option of making it shorter by connecting to like that dark green color trail. So we'll see how we feel.
Came across this big rock face over here, or just a big rock out in the middle of the forest here, and we were just looking at it. It just reminds me of like something that looks like it would be a great waterfall feature. Just the way it like would step down, the water running on it. I think it'd be great. Oh, she left us. Let's get going.
I hear water in the distance, so perhaps we're very close to the waterfall. Stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the like button.
It'll feel good. The sun's starting to beat down on us a little bit.
Yeah. All right, let's keep going. We're almost there. Looks like we're coming up to a stream. Is this the waterfall? Probably.
This is gorgeous.
This is beautiful right here.
It's so like tranquil, the water too.
Found the waterfall. Right, let's stick around. Let's see what else we can find. So we're switching it up. We're going to continue on the green trail, and then we're going to hit a yellow trail. We're shortening it. We drove quite a bit, so we want to see maybe some other places nearby. Those are the thoughts. Plans change, plans are fluid. Stick around.
Now, yes, as she explained, we changed our mind. Just have to deal with that sometimes with us. But what kind of weird poop is that? Don't forget, because you love us, hopefully, to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification if you haven't already, and please share it. Now let's get back to this trail. What the green turned into. We came off the green back there, which was just grass basically. Tall grass, not my favorite. And oh, it's just a dog print. It freaked me out. It's in the mud, so it's like squished bigger. That might be something else. So yeah, so this is what we're on now. It's kind of a little better. It's more of like an access road kind of thing. So let's see if we show you anything else. We plan to show you something else on one of these trails. So let's get to it.
We just came upon this pond. And it sounds like there's a frog in here. Let's see if we can catch him. Did you hear that? Chris is swatting gnats. But we just turned right onto the yellow trail. Almost there to where we want to go.
What's this going to help you with? Oh, I thought it was going to protect you from what water?
The mud.
mood.
Just want to show some of the terrain difference on the trail. Now it looks like we're walking along a little rockline ridge. I think we're coming up to what we were looking for. It is an overlook. You can't just see from here. See if I can get up higher.
So that overview sucked.
No, it didn't. It's just overgrown.
Sure. Yeah. Okay.
Put it politely.
We hyped up. We're gonna have this thing to show you. We get there. It's like a wall of trees. I could have just turned here and been like, guys, look at this beautiful overlook. I'm amused.
It's so good.
Not even a chuckle, nothing. That's what I do. That's what I do. No comedic relief on this trip. So, what are we doing? We're gonna end it? Is it coming to the end already? Or no? Oh, there's a building.
Yeah, I think it's like a nature center, probably like
right.
a learning center.
All right, let's see what it looks like.
Wait, what? Bobcats, coyotes, and bears. Oh my.
Goodness. Told you not to throw me to the bear.
Here's the building. Nice open area. And a breeze.
Bugs. All right, guys, so we're gonna end the video here. We
want to say thank you for all the love and support that you have given us. And
well, I was just gonna say we saw the building
Yeah.
and sort of an overlook. It was a fun walk.
It was
You
a
could
fun
definitely
walk.
go further along, if you.
There is another waterfall.
Yeah.
We just didn't go that way.
We honestly just didn't know what to expect, so we were kind of like just playing by ear. Plus, we were a little bit tired, so we were just hesitant that if we continued on, you didn't have the option. So we're just trying to be smart, the way we tell you guys to always do, you know? Just think about it. You don't want to make a mistake, and you go past that point, and then you're stuck going 6 miles. So, as always, thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.